Hi, I'm Phil. This is an air filter for my Audi TTS Mk2, and it should be relatively simple to put in. I think there's just a few screws we need to undo. It looks like this. There's a link in the description. Let's go put it in. This is just a Phillips number 2, of which there are 8. They don't come out. This is as far as they go. And look at that. Revealed. Now, a proper mechanic will, allegedly, remove the MAF sensor and take this off so that you can remove the whole thing and get more easy access to this. But we are doing this the DIY way, and actually you don't really need that much room, do you? So I'll just pull this out. There we go. You'll see the orange rubber bit goes up. It's not looking too horrific for 40,000 miles, is it? Now, you may have noticed some detritus fall into here, so make sure you give it a good vacuum. Now, incidentally, if you're ever deciding to drive through a puddle, this line here that you can just see on the edge of the screen, that's the level at which your car can go before water will go in here and then the engine will stop. If you do stop your engine because you've driven into water, do not continue. That high you can get away with just covering your lights. Hooks into the side and clips on there, the little clip here, and then we're just going to shove the new filter in there. Okay, just make sure that rubber ring fits nicely, snugly inside. And you only have to go as tight as to when the screw stops turning, because it's plastic. If you go too much more than that, you'll start stripping it. That is a successful air filter change. Time on the camera is just under 9 minutes. That's how long that took. And that's that. I hope you found that useful, and if you did, maybe I'll see you again sometime. Until then, I hope your car enjoys the fresh air.